This is an old-fashioned by Tim the bartender. Say hi, Tim. Good. This is called Documentary Bar. And it's right above a private restaurant called Wagner Cafe. It's not the type of restaurant na pupuntahan mo na parang walk-in lang. You cannot do that. You have to have a reservation and they're very strict about it para makapasok ka sa restaurant na to. And outside the restaurant, you wouldn't know that it's a restaurant kasi walang signage. This place has different levels. Actually, meron siyang, I think, 4 levels. Ganun talaga yung mga establishments dito sa Baguio. Pag umenter ka sa isang level like that, doon kami pumasok kanina sa stairs. Tapos pagbaba dito, there's the bar. And then right here, this is another level papunta dyan sa baba. Nandun naman yung Wagner Cafe, the restaurant. You know what I like about this place? Ang dami-dami niyang halaman. And it's not just any halaman. I'm gonna show you what I mean. Like, look at this. Parang there's this mini botanical garden na nasa plato lang. Like this one. These two. And it's scattered all over the place. Ang dami mga ganitong mga maliliit na parang mini garden. Even dun sa baba sa restaurant. Dun sa Wagner. There are plenty of, is it called terrariums? Terrariums siya. Yung mga parang mga garden inside the parang an aquarium. All of the plants here are real. Walang mga fake. And it looks like lahat sila is well taken care of. Lahat ng mga halaman dito sa lugar na to. Kung mapapansin nyo, it's surrounded by plants everywhere. So it kind of feels like a parang forest. No, not forest actually. Kasi if you say a forest, it's wild plants. But here, parang every plant here is art directed or curated, well curated. Tapos ang daming mga pocket gardens. Look at this. And there's a mini parang waterfalls. Tapos look, meron pa siya mga pa-effect na parang fog machine here. And then, ayun na nga, over there are plenty of mga exotic mga species of plants. And look, every table, lahat ng mga flowers on the tables, yung mga decorations, they're all real flowers. Wala akong makikitang fake flowers. These are all real flowers. Nakakatuwa yung ganitong klase ng place or yung ganitong klase ng dining experience na you're surrounded by actual live plants. Anyway, so yun na lang muna. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for liking and subscribing. See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.